I just got back from Royal Spring Training in Surprise, Arizona, and we'll have plenty of lessons to learn over the next month or so about Major League Baseball's new rule changes.
Time for Life Lessons with Leabo, brought to you by Robert Brogden's Olathe Buick GMC and Olathe Kia, home of the 90-day money-back guarantee.
They're altering the shift so infielders won't be able to go on the other side of second base or start in the outfield, making the bases larger, and most importantly, according to first baseman Vinny Pasquantino, a pitch clock to improve the pace of play.
I like the pitch clock the most because I think the game's just moving all the time. There's not as much standing around. So both of those I really like. And the larger bases, I don't know how it's really going to affect my game too much. So for me, other than being at first and not feeling like I'm going to get stepped on, that's a pretty big deal.
They're going to call a ball if the pitcher isn't ready and a strike if the batter isn't ready. That could lead to some wild scenes this year in Major League Baseball.
Brought to you by Robert Brogden's Olathe Buick GMC and Olathe Kia. Get a 90-day money-back guarantee on new vehicles when you buy from Brogden. Visit BrogdenAutomotive.com.